Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop settings. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to preset color by region in Photoshop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is come to the top right here and then go ahead and click on Edit tab right here. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have color settings. Go ahead and click on color settings. Now here you go. See, this particular window here is going to pump up right here, and this is where we can set up color by region in Photoshop. So different region with different color scheme as far as Photoshop color setting is concerned. So what we want to do here, we can go ahead and click on the North American by default that I have right here. So we have North American newspaper, North American prepress to North American web or internet. So we can see different color, different region, and different color scheme right here. The European General Purpose 3, European Press 3, European in web or internet 2. You can scroll down and check on the detail right here. So here, if you want to create a web graphic for American clients, it is advisable that you choose not American web or internet. Or better still, you are located in America and you want to create a web graphic. So this is the best option for you. So go ahead and select on that. Once you select on that, the rest is going to be automatically generated, just like what you see right here in Photoshop. So once everything is automatically generated, go ahead and hit on OK right here. Now, let's say, for instance, you want to create a print graphic for North America. Click on here and go ahead and you can see we have newspaper option right here, then prepress tool right here. So if it is a prepress tool, it simply means that you want to create a graphics for printing. Once you select the option, then the rest of the setting is going to automatically be applicable right here. So you can see this one changed to Adobe RGB 1998. So it's that simple. So let's go ahead and go back to American web or internet, and everything is going to automatically change and give us the right color format and color code as far as the settings concerned. Once you are done with every settings right here, go ahead and hit on OK, and then you can start creating your design based on the region, country, color setting in your Adobe Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.